Hi there, I'm Aria, and welcome to Jarvis Home Hub. This is the channel where complete beginners learn to use AI, with zero jargon and zero assumptions about what you already know. Whether you've never touched AI in your life, or you've tried it and didn't get on with it, you're exactly in the right place. Right then, let's get into today's video. Imagine you're chatting with a super smart friend who can answer any question in an instant. That's what AI is all about. So, let's get started. I'm going to open up ChatGPT on my device. Now, this is a pretty newfangled tool, isn't it? Think of it like a super sophisticated conversation partner. We'll explore its features together, and you'll be having your first real chat with AI by the end of this video. Now, let's talk about what to type into this chat. The key is to be clear and concise. Imagine you're writing a letter to your friend. No jargon or overly complicated language, please. On the other hand, avoid typing anything too simplistic or generic. AI wants to challenge you, but also help you learn. So, how do you interpret the AI's answer? Think of it like reading a book. Take your time, and let the words sink in. Check if what the AI says makes sense, and see if there are any potential pitfalls or areas for improvement. Now, let's try something practical. Imagine you're planning a trip. What would you like to know about this destination? You could ask the AI about weather forecasts, local customs, or even restaurant recommendations. One common error beginners make is expecting the AI to do all the work. Remember, this is a collaboration. You're working together with the machine to get the best results. Another mistake is being too aggressive in asking follow-up questions. Keep it friendly and constructive, just like chatting with your mate. And that's a wrap, folks. By now, you've had your first real conversation with AI. Remember to be clear and concise, take the time to read the response, and don't be afraid to ask follow-up questions. Thanks for joining me on this AI adventure. If you have any questions or comments, please share them below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more episodes, and get ready for our next AI challenge. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more episodes.